Hello everybody, it's Mark, and today I'm going to show you what's behind this door, or what's on this door. Whoa! It's a door closer. This is going to be hard to demonstrate because the wind's blowing. This looks like an LCN. Is it gonna close? Well, to help it, I guess. There it goes. This looks like an LCN, but I'm gonna open this and demonstrate it again. It doesn't say LCN on the on, but this, I'm pretty sure this is an LCN. Just know what kind of closer this is, I would appreciate it. And I think this closer is actually over preloaded, because I don't think this one does the latch speed. Yeah, because I think it's just like the LCN that Nick fixed that was over preloaded and doesn't do back check. Well, watch this. Whenever it reaches the full back check point, watch. It doesn't go very far. And it latches one. I'll get you an output view. See? Reaching the full back check point. There it goes. So, actually, one last demonstration. Alright, so that will be it.